Make up to $500 per week with this website. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cash Flow. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make money from Digistore24 as an affiliate. If you're new to affiliate marketing and want to earn some extra cash, then this video is for you. So, what is Digistore24? Digistore24 is an online sales platform that allows vendors to sell digital products, selected physical products, services, events, and seminars. As an affiliate, you can sign up for free and promote these products to your audience. When someone buys a product through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. To get started, head over to Digistore24 and sign up as an affiliate. Once you're approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard, where you'll find all the products you can promote. When you find a product you want to promote, click on the Promote button and you'll get a unique affiliate link. This link is how Digistore24 tracks your sales and commissions. Now, let's talk about how much you can earn. Commission rates vary depending on the product, but they can range from 10% to 70% of the sale price. This means that if you promote a product that costs $100 and has a 50% commission rate, you'll earn $50 for every sale made through your affiliate link. So, how can you promote these products? There are many ways to do it, but one of the most effective ways is through email marketing. This involves sending promotional emails to your subscribers, highlighting the benefits of the product and including your affiliate link. Make sure that your emails are valuable and helpful to your subscribers, and that you're not just spamming them with promotions. You can also promote products through social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just make sure to disclose that you're an affiliate and use your unique affiliate link. You can post product reviews, demonstrations, or testimonials, and encourage your followers to click on your affiliate link to make a purchase. Another way to promote products is through content creation, such as blog posts, YouTube videos, and podcasts. By creating valuable content around the product, you can attract an audience who's interested in buying it. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, you can create a blog post about the benefits of exercising or a YouTube video about your workout routine. Make sure to include your affiliate link in your content and provide valuable information to your audience. You can also use paid advertising to promote products, such as Google Ads or Facebook ads. This can be more expensive, but it can also be more effective if done correctly. Make sure to target your ads to the right audience, and use compelling ad copy and visuals to attract clicks. Once you start promoting products, it's important to track your sales and commissions. Digistore24 provides detailed tracking and analytics, so you can see which products are performing well and which ones need improvement. This can help you optimize your promotions and focus on the products that generate more sales. And finally, let's talk about getting paid. Digistore24 pays commissions twice a month, and you can choose to receive your payments via PayPal, wire transfer, or check. Make sure to set up your payment method in your affiliate dashboard, and keep track of your earnings. Now here is 5 tips and tricks to maximize your results. 1. Choose the right products. Select the products that align with your niche and interests. It is essential to choose products that you believe in and are passionate about. 2. Leverage the power of SEO. Optimize your website or blog for search engines to drive organic traffic to your affiliate links. Research relevant keywords and include them in your content, meta tags, and URLs. This can help you rank higher in search results and attract more potential customers to your affiliate offers. 3. Build a relationship with the vendor. Reach out to the vendor and build a relationship with them. This can help you get access to exclusive promotions, discounts, and early bird offers. 4. Monitor your performance, keep track of your sales, conversion rates, and click-through rates. This can help you identify what works and what doesn't, and optimize your marketing strategy accordingly. 5. Stay up to date with the latest trends. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends, news, and updates in your niche. This can help you identify new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. Overall, Digistore24 is a great platform for affiliates because it offers a wide range of products to promote, detailed tracking and analytics, and fast commission payouts. By promoting high-quality products to your audience, you can earn a passive income and grow your affiliate business. And that's it for today's video. We hope this gave you a better understanding of how to make money from Digistore24 as an affiliate. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.